welcome back again. Thank you for watching. And today our subject or topic is going to be IPTV. In one of my other videos I show how to connect your HDVR3500 to a network, Wi-Fi or Cat5, either one works just fine. And this receiver is capable of streaming from the internet and playing it back on any TV size. So without further ado, let's go to the function on how to operate your IPTV. There are two ways. The easiest way to get to your IPTV channels is by grabbing your remote control and pressing the IPTV button. In between the volume and channels, you see a little gray button that says IPTV. That little IPTV button will activate the app that plays the streaming capabilities on the receiver. So the other way is that you can press the menu button, but if you do the menu, then you go to IPTV icons such as this, and you move it over to IPTV by pressing the navigating buttons like this, and you select OK. It's going to ask you for a passcode. Well, that passcode is 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Once you press the 4 zeros, it gives you the channel lineup. The fastest way to do it is of course by pressing the IPTV button on the remote control, and it will instantaneously come to this list that's populated with all the channels, and of course after a little bit of buffering, downloading that information to the receiver, it begins to play. And you can select many of the channels available on our receiver. The HDVR3500 will come pre-programmed with many networks on there, including some part-time networks, radio and TV, and networks like news channels, etc. NASA TV, sometimes they do broadcast, but they are subject to change without notice. Sometimes they broadcast and others they don't. Like NASA TV is not broadcasting anything right now. I don't think so. Let's see if it buffers. Well, anyways, let's go back to something we know. Like let's jump to Save TV, for example. We carry them on our channel lineup. Again, it buffers and it begins to play. Now, the reason why there's no volume, if you see the icon over here, it means there's no audio. It's right there. It's been muted. So if I press the mute button, bingo. Anyways, that pretty much concludes our segment on IPTV. To exit the IPTV, and if you have a satellite system, you have to press the exit button, which is located right there, 2 times to discontinue the app, and it'll begin playing or downstreaming the satellite signal. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share and like. Thank you.